just see that three.
First is block
Disintegration.
Bye.
Just you give that physical weathering. Process of physical weathering.
images. Mom, it's the same image in our book. See this. See this.
Okay.
I will change it.
Mom, we just write for each way. This.
Okay.
See this. This.
Okay. Now.
Oh, see.
Second.
Like the rocks present.
Why?
Granular. It already there.
It's just. Oh, it's next to this.
School wonderful projects.
Exfoliated. Exfoliation.
Excellent.
Huh?
No. Exfoliate.
In rocks.
She got
Of
poo
rock.
on her face.
What is that?
She got poo on her face.
See this.
Layer is reduced. Using that.
4K quality. Wow.
Yummy.
No yummy.
Vada pav.
It
No,
looks like a cracked potato with gunpowder inside.
What happened?
Average potato Hitler.
Okay. All the three we have seen.
Ma'am, read more. Chemical weathering.
Chemical weathering.
Mom, see this thing. Playing in the video.
You just in that oxidation is there. You just put that in it.
What?
Oxidation.
Why? So this thing, it's iron.
Yummy. Pizza. Pizza under microscope.
See this.
It's pizza under microscope.
Next is carbonation. Carbonation.
This is down arrow now.
Okay.
Bad boy.
These.
That is what the stalagmites.
Funny.
Yeah, no good. Oh, this. It's blood. This. And this.
Now third is hydration.
Chemical weathering hydration. I use this. Mom, it's drawn basically. Wow. Lapis lazuli.
Blue potato.
Lapis lazuli.
Blue potato.
Boy. तो एक ही बार into 2 बार see this 4 not this if that is literally
No, blue potatoes.
nah that is
Okay, okay. Next is solution.
what
Solution. The chemical solution is there, no?
Bro, fix me.
solution uh, this
You just then put that video of chemical method. Smallest video.
2 potatoes, 16 words.
16 billion passwords daily.
Such
Some do. Order political science with the
You just type no. It will not be the
yes, ma'am. What?
chemical weathering.
SSC railway exam.
Study with me.
SSC railway exam.
These.
You see. Red color is coming when this is exposed to. In hydrated form, it become yellowish in color. Means iron is getting exposed. So these two changes are happening. That is the
Yellow boy. Ah, and what is this?
that is, eh? That will only expose this thing rock with iron. This is like a net, no? Net plate.
Wait, what is this thing? This. No, not this. This thing, this.
That only,
And this is like the jolly shape.
that only I told you net check. No?
Like,
See, you just subtitle or like that, you cannot
here
do
it
it.
is, here.
As the pH rises outside the mind and it is progressively diluted by normal cells. Now, just for showing purpose only they put that part, that yellow color is the because of the exposure of iron, dissolution of iron. So that one to be shown, so they put a kind of net tag. It's artificially made. Watch.
What?
Okay.
And this is 2 minutes video. Who asked you? Special person. Wala Musa. I'm very good. No good, no good.
Okay. After completing,
Yes, yes,
after
yes.
completing, we will see.
Okay, this way. 45-second video.
This we have seen, no? Okay.
Two slides.
Back.
Control W.
Here.
Yes. Now chemical weathering heading. It is a process
It is a process
in which
in which
decomposition of rocks, decomposition of rocks
of rocks
and minerals
and minerals
take place
take place
as a result of
of
chemical reaction with
with
water,
water,
oxygen,
oxygen,
carbon,
carbon dioxide,
carbon
only carbon
or
or
various organic acid. There are
there are
four main processes
processes
involved
involved
in the chemical weathering.
in
You write heading, which are they? Oxidation.
like this
Ah.
sometimes
Sometimes no question will be asked, no, which are the processes? Oxidation, carbonation,
hydration,
hydration, and solution.
solution.
First one, oxidation.
Like it's very big.
No,
Only one line is this,
2 points maybe that.
Here's one more line. Oh,
Yeah.
next.
Oxidation means eh? Reaction of minerals.
Oxidation.
Ah. Reaction of minerals
Minerals
in rocks
in rocks
to atmospheric oxygen.
to with oxygen.
On coming in contact with the
Contact with
iron compounds in rocks,
and rocks,
the iron starts rusting
rusting
or crumbling.
or
The color of the rock,
next line.
you continue. The color of the rock also changes to
Reddish brown.
red,
Only red.
no, red, yellow,
Oh, it's a common red, yellow, and green.
or brown. Green will not make up.
No, like sometimes there is green color. Yes.
Green color was
Oh,
no,
it's
it
in
is
copper, it's in
as
copper.
yeah, my bad. Okay, so oxidation means rain contains, so rainwater contains oxygen. This, when it is falling on that iron, this reacts with this oxide react with that iron compounds and its color changes. That is why iron oxide, ferrous oxides will be formed. So that is why it become red in color.
Yellow or brown.
Yellow or brown in color. Got it? Oxidation. Next, carbonation.
Second point. Nation.
Many mineral constituents
Constituents
of rocks
of rocks
such as
such as
carbon dioxide
carbon dioxide
while coming in contact
while coming in contact
with water
with water
produce acidic effect on rocks. This second point. This action. What happened?
something like spinning.
Severe pain is there.
Not severe. So
Some tingling like that or pain.
pain.
Gone.
Acidic effect on rock.
Second point. This action dissolves
Dissolves. Dissolves.
most
Most minerals.
calcareous CalCaROUS
Calcareous
rocks
rocks
such as
such as
gypsum, GYPSU, gypsum, marble,
common marble.
and limestone.
Ma'am, sand is formed by the weathering of sandstone, right?
See, it is not that one. Sandstone, that is sand particles when it is
Comprises.
compresses.
Yeah, comprises.
And formed into layers because of the cementing action of this calcium. So when it is formed into rock, that is limestone. Still you are having some problem? Huh? Huh? You used to get it or suddenly all of a
First
sudden? You know, after going home, we used to tell you that this happened. Huh?
Still
Huh?
It's still
Uh-huh. Want to this thing called they don't do anything because sometimes nerve systems is concussion.
That's the spinal
Spinal cord, but it is nerve system's problem. No, if anything is happening.
It's centralized in the sides.
Then that is where you are getting. So these are things you are not having. You fell down or anything happened to you?
He ate too much paneer.
Okay.
And limestone, marble and limestone.
Limestone.
Then
In the case of carbonation,
next slide.
uh,
In the case
carbonation,
carbonation,
rainwater
water
converts
converts
calcium carbonate into
calcium into
calcium bicarbonate, which is
which is
soluble
soluble in water.
and is taken away by
By water.
groundwater.
What is the difference between water and groundwater?
See, groundwater is that percolated water.
The collected water.
No. Going underground, percolate underground.
Oh, from the seas and all. So,
When the rain occurs, some type of the soil allows that water to seep underground. That is what percolation, allowing that water to seep underground. But most of the time, when the rain is continuous and all, this one is carried away and finally going to the sea or any other water. So the water which is going underground through that pore spaces is called underground water or groundwater.
okay.
So
like,
what
there
is
any
happening?
main difference between normal water, like any minerals are added?
No. That is surface water is the water which is seen in the form of river, lake, pond, like that, which is visible. Groundwater is not visible. We have to extract it, draw it by digging a well or any other sources, that is tube wells or like that. We have to extract that groundwater. Whatever water we are seeing outside is surface water. You are seeing river, dam, or whatever pond. All this water is surface water because it is
About the
which can be seen. But groundwater or underground water is to be drawn by some hydraulic device. Okay, that is water which is good. But here in this sense, what happened? There is a you have studied chemistry. Solution is there. Solution is water. A mixture when it is mixed up. So that is what is solution. But in this carbonation process, this one is converted into calcium bicarbonate and percolate underground. That is what you have seen, that is stalactite, stalagmite, that is pillar like and all, which is going underground and some get evaporated and form from the ceiling to downward and sometimes from down ground towards the ceiling. Understood? So that is the process of carbonation. That is, calcium carbonate is changed into calcium bicarbonate. But in a solution, you just make a sugar solution. What is happening? Sugar solution you are making, or what is that is salt solution. What is happening?
Sorry, but sorry.
It will get dissolved. And afterwards, no process can be separate that one. Any evaporation is taking place. It is already just got dissolved. We cannot separate the salt from it. We cannot separate sugar from it. But in this process, whatever got mixed up, which is gone underground, get evaporated and form from the ceiling to downward or from ground to ceiling. That is what happened in carbonation process. Did you understand? Now next one is hydration. Right. Fast. In this process,
in this process,
expansion of mineral occurs
first
on coming into contact coming into contact
contact
with the rainwater. These minerals become
become
heavy
heavy
and start disintegrating.
disintegrating
Disintegrating. This action can be termed as physical or mechanical.
disintegrating them. This action
Can be termed as
as
physical or mechanical. Its effect in hydration
its effect
in hydration is a chemical process. Example, feldspar.
feldspar
Feldspar
mica
are converted into kaoli,
feldspar are converted
into kaolin, Kaolin.
kaolin. What's kaolin?
Kaolin is a type of rock wool, chemical material.
This
Chuck.
cocaine.
Chuck.
Cocaine.
Cocaine is something that cocaine. Especially English. I know. It's
Feldspar.
Oh, it's like this more or this course. Both. What is this? Like the
That's only a different.
oxidation process on feldspar.
Clear?
Oh, it's blue also.
Got it?
What is this?
So nice.
Yo, crazy.
like a regular weekend.
I have known that on memory.
Why?
You have to do like that. And feldspar, mica.
Mica, I did not tell.
I just search it.
Oh,
Many
it is so many layers, thousands of layers are. Okay. Okay. Now next one is solution. Solution, you write. It is the process in which minerals in the rocks dissolve in water.
And some cleaning work is going on.
Ah,
Yeah, exactly.
or what is going on?
Some cleaning work.
No, what he was telling
He was saying that it was like smelling so bad.
all rocks are subjected to that one sentence already written. Or you just solution.
Yeah. Hydration. Then hydration.
Hydration
Oh,
or
sorry.
solution. It is the process in which
It is the
process in which
in which
minerals
minerals
in the rocks
in the rocks
dissolve in water.
dissolve in water.
All rocks are subjected to
Rocks are
subjected to
to
solution to some extent.
extent.
See, all the rocks are having to a certain extent that is soluble. But the rate of this solution varies. Example, you can write sedimentary rocks have four spaces between the grains in which air and water can load and thus attack the rocks. That means sedimentary rocks are having layers and you know that from sedimentary rocks only this through the pores only oil is coming. Understood? So that way pores are done. But it is not salt, get dissolved in the water. Even though it is, did you understand? But salt is a type of rock. So
Salt?
salt, rock salt, and other type of. This one is a soluble in water. Already I have told the example. Once it gets dissolved in water, we cannot get it back. So every
No, we can by boiling.
boiling also
Like not that much, but we can get some.
some only no. Then who is going to get this thing? But this powder salt, can we get it back in that form? No.
We will get it in
Get
crystals.
evaporate. It will get evaporated. No.
And we will get that in crystals.
No.
We can get some.
Then in the desert region and all evaporation take place. Can you get it?
No, like there should be like one filtered paper on top of boiling.
Ooh.
Not really in this.
Hmm.
So it's boiling. What?
Do you add salt before?
Study.
Yeah.
Easy.
Why?
You are doing that.
Yeah, so
How are you study?
I have both.
Orange studies से क्या होता है?
See, we have to complete the biological
At a lower rate, but same.
Hmm?
Should I get a 7
This one.
They might listen.
It is not.
If the Yes, it is a river.
Is it a
Like rock. Wait, wait. Shati.
lake? Is the
No.
They do not even be salt anymore. Okay, yeah, you're right.
That only I told you. I did not experiment into it.
Good.
Ah, yes. Now the third one. See, you have to learn about it. You just write that question and keep it. Difference between mechanical and chemical weathering.
Question.
Hmm.
Uh,
4 points you have between mechanical and the chemical weathering. Chemical. So that is homework. Hmm?
I'm getting stop for
No, one more. No, no. Only biological weathering is left out. I have to complete.
Oh, we can complete next week.
No, I have to freeze the lesson. It is written processing complete. These two options will be. Little bit also, and it is allotted for 2 hours. Hmm. So 2 hour over and that. Little bit only, no? That I will tell you. You just write.
Agents of
Biology.
biological.
See, this is not there. This is not there.
Oh wait, weathering in climatic regions.
It is there, but you just check.
No, it's not.
That is where. Hmm? This much only left out. Afterwards you can.
And we will write it later.
You write it later. I will just tell. What is
Ma'am, we
biology?
have to do that question as homework.
Homework. And this one also, biological weathering.
Okay.
What is biological weathering?
Like my plants, animals, lichens.
Ah,
And then it's just someone with plant to be.
It is known as organic weathering. Other name for biological weathering is organic weathering because living organisms only help in this process. Its main agents are animals, insects, plants, and man. Human beings are also involved. Okay. In all the cases, both the physical disintegration or chemical decomposition are involved. Biological weathering, both the processes are involved. This is because all biological matter is made up of oxygen and water, the two substances that set off reaction of living. So means the processes are caused by organic plants, insects, animals, and human beings are responsible for it. Both the physical and chemical changes are taking place because it include water materials, oxygen, and water. Now, agents, humans. Man is the most active agent in both the physical and chemical weathering of rocks. For example, mining, excavations, construction of roads, buildings, etc. cause physical disintegration of rocks. Did you understand what is happening? We are breaking the rocks.
Yeah, for my
Human being. We cause it or we do it. That is why humans are responsible. Agriculture, dumping of chemicals and waste underground promote both physical and chemical. That trigger. That is when we are doing that agricultural activity, we are digging so that we cause that breaking of rocks. At the same time, chemical dumping or waste dumping also cause physical and chemical processes. Next, plants. Already I have told you the roots of the plants go to that underground through the side of that rock help in that breaking. That means cracks are formed on the rocks. This in turn cause that disintegration. Roots of large trees reach deep into the rocks and cause physical disintegration due to pressure. Most of the vegetation, however, prevents disintegration of rocks because it binds the surface layer. Means when you are looking at the top part, it held it together. But in the course of time, the roots go underneath the rocks and make it to break. Okay. Animals and insects. Animals like rabbits, worms, moles, and insects bring large quantities of fine material to the surface. Burrowing animals help to loosen the surface material around the rock, facilitating their physical disintegration. Okay. Upon death, the decaying animals also provide many chemicals and acids for the rock disintegration. Means decomposition takes place. Understood? It convert that rock material into other that mineral formation. You know that so many minerals are formed, organic and inorganic minerals. So most of the organic minerals are formed as a result of this biological activity. Okay? Hmm?
Sand water.
Not the science. That you do at home. Related to
I'm
our
not allowed to do anything.
no, we have to do something related to our syllabus because
Make sure
very
that we snap.
biological weather.
Can get it.
Yes. Why? No. Closest from space.
Yeah, the rabbits like in this cave.
It's enough.
Why?
Oh,
Oh.
already.
See.
Well, already.
Deserve. And deserve.
No way.
Oh, why?
No way. Why?
It's
Crazy.
14 to 100.
With copyright strike, why they do that? Why they just do it?
right.
It's not copy.
Chimpanzee.
Introvert. Look good.
See, fully this
Copy. Which copy?
Crazy.
Deserve. Oh, what's wrong in that?
Wait.
Why do you?
Yeah, yeah. No, bruh, bruh, bruh. Oh, it's this
This guy has to get a job.
oh crazy shotgun. Oh, wow.
I told you we were on the 100.
On the ground. Great one. Moonwalk in parallel universe. Oh, oh, no way.
Get a job.
Oh, he best is the second one. What this? I'll be for my rest of it. Anyone. You oh, astronaut. Last question, you wanna be excited. You wanna be excited. Bro, भाई ऐसा शॉट मारना चला जाएगा ऑटिज्म इतना इतना दूर वहां पे खेलने की धीरे मार वहां पे दिख रहे हैं what is this? अरे नहीं वाली what's that
नहीं हुआ
तो ये देखो ऐसा लगा wait
अभी भी
Skip.